fun.
What are you doing today,
And
Alcina?
today we're gonna do some stretchy slime.
Wow, what do you got there?
We got
So what do you need for the stretchy
we got some
slime?
crab soda.
No, bicarb soda. It's called
Crab soda.
bicarb. Bicarb soda.
A teaspoon, some school glue, green food coloring, and eye drops.
And some eye drops. Okay.
Okay. So
So
we
let's.
couldn't-
What do you
couldn't
need to
find
do?
a bowl, so we just used
We're gonna use a what? Your flying ball.
We're gonna use the container.
Yes, because we love to reuse things and not throw them away. Right.
Yep.
So the first step
And
is
here's our LOLs.
yeah. The first step is to put your glue and your 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda in the bowl.
Okay.
So glue you need 240 mils. So in each one there's 225 mils. So we just need the whole thing there and just a little bit more. It'd be better if you take off the lid, I think, come out easier.
Sure thing.
No, the whole cap, hun. Yeah, just take off the whole cap, yeah. Easier for you.
Here we go.
All in there? Yep.
Ah!
Right. Okay, empty out as much as you can.
That's it.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh,
Okay. Now next.
More. No. Try and get out as much as you can from it. Okay. Here, from the second one, you just need 20 mil. Now, Alcina put 240 mils of glue in there. Now she's going to put 1 teaspoon of the bicarb soda. So here's your teaspoon, honey.
Thank you.
Pop it in there. Yeah. So now, what you have to do now is add some of your food colouring, depending what, the more colour you put, obviously the more darker it's going to be. So it's really up to you how much food colouring you add. So I think make it medium, not too dark, not too light. What do you think?
Good.
You got it?
Nope. It won't open.
You can't open it? Alright, I'll open. How much do you want depending on the colour? So the more you put, the darker it's going to be. That's pretty dark, so leave it at that. I think that's enough. And so the next step for you is to put a little bit of eyewash in there. Another 1 teaspoon of it. So, okay, now you've got to put 1 teaspoon of the eyewash in there. Alright, good girl.
Yeah.
And what you do now is you start mixing. Beautiful. And you're going to have the best slime, stretchy slime. Because what happens, I'll give you a little bit of science. Glue is made up of long molecules called polymers. And when glue and eyewash are mixed together, they stick together, right?
Really?
And this turns the glue from a liquid into a bouncy solid. That's why you got a cool slime after. Mmm. Cool, huh? Mix. Mix. Wow. What a beautiful color. Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Alcina? Nice color, isn't it? Wow.
So how many seconds?
You have to do it for 10 minutes. So we'll have to come back in 10 minutes, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so after 10 minutes, yeah, Alcina?
Yeah.
Let's see our result. How'd it go?
The result
Yes?
is good.
Ooh, stretchy slime! Oh, beautiful, honey. What a gorgeous color. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, beautiful. It's so satisfying to make your own slime, isn't it? Yeah? Very satisfying, isn't it, honey? Woohoo! So what do you think of your stretchy slime, hon?
Good.
And you know, the more, you've only been doing it for 10 minutes, the more you do it, the more better it's going to be.
Yeah.
So, easier?
Yep.
All you used was glue, bicarb soda, some food colouring, and a little bit of eye drop. Ooh. So what do you give it?
10 out of 10.
You really love it?
Yep.
10 out of 10, huh? Okay. So what do you want everyone to do?
Good. So
For watching.
thank you for watching.
And kids, make it yourself. It's so easy to make. Yay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.